Hey everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a chicken starter, and it's a very popular chicken starter, chicken lollipop. It's actually very simple and easy to make. It requires very less ingredients as well. Let's see how to make it. To the chicken lollipop, I'm adding ginger garlic paste, soy sauce, vinegar, green chili sauce, red chili paste. Red chili paste, I just grinded the red chilies and sauteed it in olive oil for about 15 minutes. Chilli powder, salt, and some black pepper. So I'm going to mix all of this together. So yes, now I'm going to marinate this for about 2 hours. You can even marinate this overnight. So after 2 hours, I'll see you guys. Now it's been marinated for 2 hours. Now I'm going to add egg. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Now to thicken this mixture, I'm going to add Maida or all-purpose flour, corn flour. Now I'm going to mix everything together. So this is how it has to be. You can see how nicely it's coated. Now we can start deep frying this. Oil is hot. So I'm going to fry this in medium heat for about 3 minutes on each side. So yes guys, chicken lollipop is done. I'm going to have this with some chicken biryani. So hope you guys try it. It's actually very delicious. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.